Alright, it's your boy Trey Cross, and I'm back with another one for the week. Um, this is the Type B congregational song. No, I'm sorry, Type C. This is the third one, and the reason I saved this for last is because if you notice, the Type A is the most simple. Type B has a little bit more to it, and then Type C has everything. So it's a build up, it's a process. So what you really have to do is you have to watch all three of them. This is kind of like that movie that has a sequel to it. So it's like, in order to get everything from it, you have to watch all three videos. So if you haven't watched the Type A video, go back and watch it. If you haven't watched Type B video, go back and watch that. Because the only thing I'm gonna only add one thing to this process. And so if you haven't watched the other two videos, you might be a little lost, because I'm not gonna break everything down again. I'm gonna only break down the part that I didn't introduce yet. Okay. So the bit one the main song that I had in mind when I was thinking about the Type C congregational music was Bless That Wonderful Name of Jesus. We're still in E flat, okay? So this is just a melody. Okay, now I'm gonna run right into it. All right. So, Bless That Wonderful Name of Jesus, and there's a million other songs that goes with this pattern. So instead of me saying, hey, let's learn Bless That Wonderful Name of Jesus, or What a Mighty God We Serve, or this, that, and the other, with congregational music, it's all about patterns. You learn all the patterns, you automatically know the songs. Because I'm 32 years old. I've been in church all my life. But the thing is, there's still other songs that I hear sometimes when somebody gets up to sing that's way past my time. So it's like I have to just listen to the melody and just go with the flow, and we're good to go. So like I said, we got the run with the C sharp major 7th and the diminished on 7, and then we resolve on 1. Like I said, if you haven't watched and mastered the video from last week and the week before, you gotta go back, because I'm not gonna slow down until I get to the next part that we need to build on to complete the whole thing. Okay. Remember that augmented chord? So yes, I told you that. The augmented chord. Remember I told you this. Here's the new part that I need to teach you. All that is 7-3-6. And to be totally honest with you, I believe I already taught you this progression. So, F minor on 7, E flat minor first inversion, second, E flat minor second inversion on 3. So flat major chord, which is also the 5 major chord. So after that, 7-3-6. This is stuff you already been taught. So that's the only thing you had to learn to complete the process. And see what I would do now. I would go back to the type A congregational song and practice that. Just practice it until you can fall asleep and play it, until you know it without thinking about it, without looking. Then do the same thing with type B song. Same thing. Then come back and do the same thing with the type C song, and then after that, you know them, and when you hear them, you hear the changes, you hear the melody, and you're playing them, and you already know exactly where to go. Your hands know exactly what to do.